Good morning. Hopefully everybody had a great week. Got one little small thing for the day. We are going to do a little quiz on the Supreme Court cases. After today, we can put those to bed. Don't have to deal with them anymore, which I'm sure you guys are fired up about. It's worth 45 points, so a pretty decent chunk of points. Make sure you're getting that done. If you consult that AP Review material folder, the 15 Supreme Court cases, this quiz should be pretty easy for you. Should be a pretty easy 45 points. So make sure you're doing that. This kind of leads me to my second thing. Make sure you are keeping up with all the work we have going on. I feel like as the weeks go by, there's more and more people that I'm seeing less and less of. I know a couple people that really looks like you got to a point where you figured I'm shutting it down for the rest of the year, and I fear that you might have not done the math correctly because you're getting closer and closer to that 60-point barrier that's going to make you fail the quarter. Now, I know coupled with whatever grade you got in the third quarter, that might not mean that you fail the semester, but again, do you want to be the one that fails the quarter? I've never had anybody fail a quarter in AP government history in 13 years. Please don't be the first one. That would be a little embarrassing, frankly. The other thing is there are some people that are, if not dangerously close to failing the quarter, they are failing the quarter and failing it by a wide margin. And putting it together with your third quarter grade, you're failing the semester, which will go on your transcript and kind of follow you around for whoever wants to see your high school grades. And contrary to popular belief, there are people that look at high school grades still. It's easy to reference, so I know more and more people do ask for senior year grades in particular. So make sure you're not doing that. I also know some colleges will ask for what you did second semester to make sure the people they admitted didn't fail things, and they want to keep them admitted. So make sure that you're doing the right things. You don't want that to come into play. It's a negative thing. So keep up with it. The other thing is it kind of leaves a bad taste in your mouth when the last thing you see of somebody is them kind of giving up on you, and don't let the last kind of impression that I or any other teacher or anybody else has of you, of that matter, of you kind of quitting and doing the wrong things, kind of going out of here. So just kind of do the right thing, finish up. It's not that much. It's not like you have a Herculean amount of work to do. These are all pretty simple assignments. Just do the right thing and finish up. Do it upright. Next week you do not have a final exam. You've got 4 days next week. So basically two days of assignments for all of you. There is no final exam, but there is probably going to be some sort of final project. What that is, I'm not 100% sure. I think I have a pretty good idea. I'm trying to convert it to like an online deal. I'm used to giving it in class, so there's some kinks to be worked out. But there'll be some sort of project probably for next week, so which will be probably a substantial amount of points that it's worth. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email or next week during office hours. Other than that, have a great day. Good luck on the quiz. I'll see you next week for the last one. It's the last hurrah. See ya. Have a good one.